Hello, my name is John. I'm from Social Media Opt-in. This past week I had a problem and I thought I would share it with you. I was working on one of my sites and it came up and it had, when I tried to log in, it gave me an error that says, cannot log in temporarily, disabled. So I called up my web host and he told me that it was the robots that were attacking the site that caused the problem. And they renewed it every hour, but I could get around it if I added just one plugin. So I added the plugin, and it works fine. So I thought you'd like to see what the plugin was and how it works. So here I am at localhost site, add plugins, and it's HC custom WP admin URL. And you can see it right here. I already have it installed on my site. So after you activate it, go to your permalinks, down to the bottom one says WP-admin slug, and here you can see I typed in John W. Okay, so when you do that, you save it, and after it's saved, you go to log in, and you type in test. That's true. You see that asked for my conditionals now, and then all I have to do is enter my password. And you see that I'm in. Thanks for watching.